No way! There's a weird yellow thing in the sky. What's that? Oh, surrounded by dark clouds, but it's there. It's light, it's bright, and there's no rain. So you know what that means. So today we're going to be doing a little DIY project. It's nice and warm outside, there's a cool breeze, and it's not raining. So that's all the perfect components to do a little bit of paint work. So today, the paint work that I'm going to be doing is this door capping for a Ford Fiesta. So I'll just open this here and show you guys what we've got in store. So what we have here is a colour-coded capping. Well, it will be a colour-coded capping when we finish with it. It just comes plastic. It's not really primed either, so we're going to have to prime it, paint it, and then lacquer it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to go rough it up first, then we'll start with the paint work. So this is for the driver's side front door, because that's where the lock is. If your central locking fails, you know, your battery goes flat and you need to get in, then you flick this cap off and then you put your keys in the door. So if you are requiring this and you need to know how to fix it and paint it, then you've come to the right place. So make sure, if this video is useful to you, make sure you leave a like and also consider subscribing for new videos and some more DIY projects to come. So I'm going to stop talking now and I'm just going to get on to painting. So let's get in the man cave and let's get this bad boy up to scratch. So the first thing you want to do in the first step is you're going to make yourself a good cuppa, because every good project starts with a banging cuppa. Cup of tea works fine, coffee okay, but yeah, make sure you do one, otherwise this isn't going to work. So to paint this bad boy, you're going to need a couple of things. First of all, you're going to need a cover or something. I sometimes use a bin bag, but I think this will be good enough just to pop it onto, so then when you're spraying, you don't spray it all over the floor or table or whatever you're using. I recommend doing this outside, because paint outside, definitely, not inside. So yeah, we're going to be using a bin bag plus this to pop this on and spray it. We're also going to need a base layer, which is going to be some grey plastic primer. I always use this stuff from a local car spares place, but you can go anywhere and grab some grey plastic primer. But before that, you want to go and rub it down, sand it down. So I recommend just getting some fine grit paper. This is 1200, but you'll be alright with 1000. Just to rub it down slightly, so then the paint's got something to grip onto. Once you've done that, then you'll use your plastic primer. And then you'll be using your coloured paint. For this one, it is frozen white, which that is the paint code there if you need the paint code for frozen white. And this is for a Ford Fiesta, so Ford Fiesta frozen white in that colour code there. And then lastly, which I haven't got, is you'll be requiring some lacquer to put over the top of it to protect the paint and have a nice factory finish. So I'm going to grab some lacquer a bit later on and you'll see it in the video later on too. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to rough up this shrimp. and hopefully not get blown away too much by the wind. Okay, now once it's roughed up like that, and then it's ready to start being primered. So that's what we're going to do now. So once you've shaked the can up for a couple of minutes, it should be ready to go. So yeah, that looks okay to me. So once you're tested and you're ready, then it's go time basically. Okay, I'm going to leave that to set now. It takes a few minutes. Normally leave it about 5 minutes. And I would say to you, if you're a mucky pup like me, make sure you wear gloves. Yeah, we'll leave that to dry now. Like I say, a couple of minutes. So enjoy your tea, have a sip of your tea, or a few, and then we'll be back when it's dry. Okay, so after 5 minutes or so, it should be fairly dry. In fact, it is. It is completely dry, which is good. As you can probably see, a bit of the bubble wrap's covered up the ends, so we're going to have to respray that. And we're going to give a go at spraying the bottom as well, so let's go ahead and do that. So we'll get rid of the bubble wrap now then, and hopefully spray the bottom. Excellent. Another 5 minutes or so to dry, and then we can move on to the paint. The benefit on a day like today is that it's humid in the air, so it's not quite baking hot, but you've got that constant cool breeze coming through, which dries it quite nicely. And rather than it being like hurricane winds and chucking all the dust and bits from outside everywhere, it's actually a gentle breeze which will dry it quite nicely. Okay, so now the most important bit, the paint. And there we go, just like that, all sorted. Happy days. Nice even coats all the way around. Wait for it to dry between each coat, and then you have yourself one colour coded capping
All that's left to do now is to grab some lacquer and get it lacquered so it has a shiny finish.
And there we go, Bon Apple teeth, it is done, and the cap is now securely fitted to the car. And it looks great now, doesn't it? Much better than leaving the barrel, you know, hanging out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, make sure to leave a like. Also, if you're new around here, then make sure to subscribe. Do plenty of tutorial videos and other car videos to come, so stay tuned for that. But until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.